Hello students, good evening to all of you. This is the question number 27. Let's see. There are the three parts are given and every part consists of 1 marks, 1 into 3. So see the first point. Write the IPSC name of the compound. It is compound is given. And B. The presence of NO2 group at the ortho and para position increases the reactivity of the haloarenes towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Give reason to explain the above statement. And C is what happens when the ethyl chloride is treated with the alcoholic potassium hydroxide. So let's see the answer of these questions. In this question, you have to write the IPSC name. So for writing the IPSC name, what you have to do? You have to number the substituent what are present in the cyclic ring. So there are the two different functional substituents are present on the cyclic ring. One is the chlorine, another is the bromine. As you know that when the different substituents are present in a compound, then they are named according to their alphabetical order. अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में जो पहले आता है उसका नाम लिखते हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या करना है, वी हैव टू कवर द डबल बॉन्ड ऑल्सो. सो वी विल स्टार्ट द नंबरिंग फ्रॉम द दिस पॉइंट 1 2 3. So name of the compound will be the 3-bromo, 1-chloro, 1-chloro, cyclo, hexane, hex 1 in, yes, cyclohexene, because double bond is present. So name of the compound will be the 3-bromo, 1-chloro, cyclohexene. See the second question. The presence of NO2 group at the ortho and para position increases the reactivity of the haloarenes towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Give reason. So let's see the answer. Here, in the case of if the NO2 group, as we know that NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. It withdraws the electron benzene ring, and thus electron density decreases on benzene. Therefore, it facilitates the attack on haloarenes. Now we will see the third answer, that is the what happens when the ethyl chloride is treated with the alcoholic KOH, that is the potassium hydroxide. So CH3 CH2 Cl. This is the ethyl chloride. It is going to react with the KOH. What happens? KOH and alcoholic KOH. So what happened actually? Alcoholic KOH. Here this carbon is the alpha carbon, next carbon is the beta. So here beta elimination will be take place. Alcoholic KOH simply it will the beta elimination reaction will take place, and here what happened? Elimination reaction will take place and CH2 double bond. CH2 will form plus it will convert into the ethene plus KCl KCl will be removed and plus H2 will also be removed. H2 will also. So these way the product will be formed. Thank you.